recording this. What's up, boy?
Oh, we're doing a video?
Yeah, what's up, boy?
Oh, that's awesome, actually.
So,
And this is my ultimate sword! Never mind.
so Dad, where are we at?
We are coming down the road of Jackson Falls.
And we're heading over to Burden.
You know, I think this could be part of our new nature series.
Good old
That could be an idea.
Southern Illinois.
And the mountain, we were climbing for about like 30 minutes just looking for a way down to this beautiful creek.
Yeah, we could
But-
have just killed ourselves.
We couldn't do the hills.
Yeah, Pokemon.
All right, I'll take control.
We cannot do the hills.
Yeah. So, I hope you enjoy my channel, and if you do,
And we're gonna
please
start.
Send $1 to 1105 Southampton Road. All donations are greatly appreciated.
Yeah, I guess.
We need to eat, folks.
But
And if you liked this video, we're starting our new nature series.
if you do like this, oops, sorry, Dad. If you do like this series, please subscribe for more
And
videos.
comment below what you liked about it.
Yeah, comment below, please.
Nothing rude. Tired of rudeness.
Yeah.
Nothing rude.
I'm
You
getting,
don't like it, don't watch it. Then you have to comment on it. You didn't ruin your day. Shut up.
and I'm tired of seeing my name is Jeff, and yes, I mean you. But
We couldn't do the hills.
nope.
So now we're
So,
just going down.
By the end of summer, we'll be able to.
Yeah.
We'll
Yeah.
just keep doing this every weekend and
Yeah.
get back in shape.
Yeah.
Now this video could be.
We could go to the fitness center.
Yeah,
This
that's
video-
no fun.
This video is gonna be kind of boring because we're going downhill on a road right
It was an
now.
afterthought, guys. The video this time is kind of fresh.
Okay,
It's just
hold
something that we
on.
can do.
In this video, I'll make a new one.
Huh?
In this video, I'll make a new one.
Why?